Bracket analysis. Alright? We discuss today about cost volume bracket analysis. Okay. Ano ba yung cost natin? Kanina, we discussed about total variable cost. Yeah? Also yung total fixed cost. And kasama dito yung variable cost per unit. And yung ating fixed cost per unit. Alright. Let me say, ano mangyayari sa ating sales? Or sorry, sa ating cost if your sales will go up and will go down. As discussed kanina, total variable cost will also go up and will also go down. While the variable cost per unit and total fixed cost for one time, it will remain the same. While your fixed cost per unit, mataas to, bababa to, mababa to, mataas to ang ating fixed cost per unit. Yan ang goal natin in our cost. Okay? Wherein the variable cost total will vary directly, while the variable cost per unit and fixed cost total will remain the same, while fixed cost per unit naman will vary indirectly. Okay? In terms of volume, ang sinasabi class, in terms of volume, there is no inventory. In the volume, there is no inventory, meaning to say, your unit produce